Meaning of docusoap.
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 Docusoap. Docusoap is a term used to describe a reality television program that focuses on the daily activities and personal lives of people in specific professions or industries. The show typically follows a group of individuals and their interactions with each other, as well as their struggles and triumphs in their work. The aim of a docusoap is to provide viewers with an insight into a particular profession or industry that they may not have been aware of before, and to offer a glimpse into the personal lives of those involved. Overall, the term docusoap refers to a reality TV genre that combines documentary-style filmmaking with soap opera elements to create an engaging and entertaining viewing experience.